Hello friends, I am Kavita Salonke and welcome to my channel Kavita Salonke Easy Math. So students, today we are going to solve exercise 9.2 from the lesson rational number. Okay, and this rational number is for class 7th also and 8th also. So both standard it is useful. So please watch my video till end and please like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's start. So see student, rational number. So question number 1 is what? Find the sum. Okay. So find the sum means you have to add. Find the sum. Okay, means you have to add the rational number. Now see, first example is 5 upon 4. 5 upon 4 plus minus 11 upon 4. Now see students, here this example how to solve. First, just wait, we will write this minus 11 for this. Minus 11 upon 4. Okay, so 5 upon 4 minus 11 upon 4. So how you will add this? See student, this both number having same denominator, and we know that whenever same denominators are there, only we are adding only the numerator. See here we have to apply the rule of fraction. Okay, अगर आपको पता नहीं है how to add or how to subtract the fraction, so please watch my video. Okay, उस video में मैंने all the operations of fraction already I given. Okay, already I uploaded. So please watch that video, means you will understand what are the rules. Okay, while adding the fraction. So see here base are same, so we can add directly the numerator. Base are same, so one only common base. So 4 we will take, and now this 5. Now see plus minus 11 is there. Okay, so we know that 5. Now plus minus 11 is there, so we can write directly plus into minus. It is minus 11 upon 4. So 5 minus 11. Okay, we have to do this. 5 minus 11. What you will get? See students, 11 minus 5, 6, and big number sign here. Okay, we know that integers also, in integers also whenever big number is there, that sign we have to give. और अगर आपको वो नहीं पता है तो please watch my video. Okay, integer lesson का भी मैंने video upload किया है. Then please watch my video, because अगर आपको ये find the sum और subtraction whatever your operation you are doing on rational number, उसके लिए आपको integers या fraction के rule पता होना चाहिए. Okay, how to operate that. So please watch that video before watch this video. Okay, so 6 upon 4. And now see, we can simplify also. Simplify means, see, in simplest form we will write, or in standard form we will write. See, 6 and 4 both are in is 2 stable, so we can divide by 2. 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 10. 2 is a 4, sorry. So your answer is minus 3 upon 4. So your second example is 5 upon 3 plus 3 upon 5. Okay, 5 upon 3 plus 3 upon 5. So students, see, first only I told you while when I uploaded that fraction video, in that I told you whenever base are not same, that time we can use LCM method also or cross multiplication method also. Okay, now here these numbers are very small, so we can use easily cross multiplication. Okay, so see here we will cross multiply, and while cross multiply already I told you that how to multiply. Here denominator into denominator means 3 into 5 we have to do, and here cross. Okay, this numerator and this denominator means 5 into 5 plus 3 into 3 means what you will get here, 5 5s are 25 plus 3 3s are 9 upon 15. So see what you will get. So 25 upon 25 plus 9, what you will get? 24 plus 9, 34. 34 upon 15. So answer is 34 upon 15. What we done here, base are not same, so first we made that base same by cross multiplication, and then we add this. Okay students, now see the third example is, see students, अगर आपको ये how I done this if you don't know, so please watch my video of fraction. Okay, then only we will move forward. So our third example is minus 9 upon 10 plus here 22 upon 15. Okay, 22 upon 15. Here also see students, you can do cross multiplication or by LCM method. Now here I am solving by LCM method. Okay, so please for that I am requesting that please watch my video of fraction. Okay, so how I am solving by LCM method, that you will understand. Now see by LCM, now LCM we are finding of that base. Okay, whatever denominator is there, their LCM we have to find. So LCM of 10 and 15 is what? 30. Okay, how I have found? See, for this example only I am giving you how to find the LCM. Okay, but other remaining example directly I am writing the LCM. For this example I am showing you how to find the LCM. So see, 10 and 15 LCM we will find. So both number are in 5 table, so we will divide by 5. So 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Now in this 2 we can divide by 2 only. So 2 1s are 2, 3 as it is, because we can't divide that 3 by 2. So and now 3 1s are 3. जब तक 1 आंसर नहीं आता तब तक हमें डिवाइड करने होते हैं, जब तक 1 रिमाइंडर नहीं होता है. So you will get what? 5 2 3. These are the factors, and when we will multiply these, see 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 30, means you will get LCM 30. So how you will find by LCM method? See, यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है? डिनोमिनेटर 30 बनाना है. So for that what we have to do? See, now LCM is 30, so directly I am writing here denominator 30. Okay, plus here also denominator 30. Now see, for making denominator 30, okay, for by which number we multiply 10, that we have to multiply to numerator. मतलब 30 डिनोमिनेटर बनाने के लिए हमने 10 को किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई किया है? 10 3s are 30. Okay, so ऊपर numerator also we will multiply that with 3. Okay, otherwise directly see I am writing that step also for this one example. Now see, this 10 minus 9 upon 10, and here 22 upon 50. Now we have to make it denominator 30, and we know the fraction rule. Whenever we are multiplying to denominator with same number, we have to multiply to numerator. So इसको 30 बनाने के लिए हमें 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So ऊपर भी हम 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. See, 15 2s are 30, so we are multiplying by 2. Here also we should multiply by 2. Okay, so जिस नंबर से हम डिनोमिनेटर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं उसी नंबर से न्यूमरेटर को भी मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So you will get 9 3s are 27 upon 30 plus 22 into 2 44 upon 30. Now we know that, see, base are same, means denominator are same, so we can add only the numerator. So minus 27 plus 44. Okay, now इनका subtraction करना है. Why? Because they are having different sign. So what you will get here? This you will get 17 upon 30. Okay, why? Because big number sign we are giving. So it is plus 17 upon 30. This is the answer. Okay, students. Now we will move towards our next example. That is okay. So we will see our fourth example. What is the fourth example? Fourth example is minus 3 upon 11, minus 3 upon minus 11 plus 5 by 9. This is the example. Now see students, here also you can use the LCM method, or you can find by your cross multiplication. Now these numbers are small, so directly we will do the cross multiplication. See, 11 9s are 99, and this minus sign is there, so minus, and 3 5 sorry, and cross multiplication now. Minus 3 into 9 plus minus 11 plus sorry multiply 5. Okay, so what you will get? 9 3s are 27 minus 27 minus, now see here also minus sign, so minus 55 upon minus 99. This you will get. Okay, now see students, upside number both having the same sign, minus minus sign. Okay, in integer rule we know that whenever both having same sign, so we have to do the addition and same sign to answer. So your answer will come minus, now see 5 plus 7, it is 12. So 6 7 8 minus 82 upon minus 99. Now both number having minus minus, so we can cut that or we can cancel this. So 82 upon 99. Answer is 82 upon 99. This is our fourth example. Now see student, we will move towards our fifth example. So fifth example is minus 8 upon 19 plus here minus 2 upon 57. Minus 2 upon 57. Now see students, here see 19 and 57, these number are big, so we will do the by LCM method only. Now LCM of, now I am not telling you how to find the LCM, because you know that directly I am writing the LCM of 19 and 57 is 57. So now see, directly we will move. Okay, now for 19. Okay, 19 को किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा जो when we will get 57. See students, 19 3 जा 57. So ऊपर भी 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So we will get -8 into 3 plus here already 57 is there. So -2 as it is. So you will get see 8 3 is 24 minus 24 and this -2 upon 57. So minus plus, so minus 26 upon 57. Okay, answer is minus 26 upon 57. Now third one, sixth one is minus 2 by 3 plus here 0. Now see, we know that no need to do addition and all or cross multiplication. We know that whenever we are adding any number with 0, then answer we are getting that same number. Okay, so answer is minus 2 by 3. Directly we will do, no need to do that calculation also. Now see seventh number example is, here see they given in mixed fraction minus 2 1 upon 3 plus 4 whole 3 upon 5. Now see, already in fraction lesson I told you how to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. Okay, so directly now I am converting here. Always remember here in denominator, here in these two numbers, in whole number and this denominator, here is multiplication and upside is addition. Okay, so I am converting this 3 to the 6 plus 1 7. Okay, see here what you will it will come now 3 to the 6. Okay, so minus 6 plus 1. What you will come? Why students here 3 to the 6 minus 6 will come and plus 5. So here it will come minus 5 upon 3 plus 3 4 the 12. 12 plus 2. What? 14 upon 3. Okay. Now see both number having same base. So directly we will do the addition. Here it will come minus 5 plus 14. Okay. Now see both number having the different sign. So what you will get? See students. Here. When you will add these, sorry, we have to subtract that. Okay, why? Because both number having the different sign. So when we will subtract, you will get now 5 plus 4 9. Okay, 9 upon 3 means you will get answer 3. Okay students, understand? Now we will move towards our second question. The second question is find question number 2. Okay, find. So from question number 2, first one is 7 upon 24 plus, sorry, minus 17 upon 36. Here minus 17 upon 36. Okay, see students, here also denominators are 24 and 36. So first we will find their LCM. So LCM is what? 72. Okay, LCM is 72. Now see LCM 70, sorry, denominator 72 बनाने के लिए 24 को किस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा? Now see in 24 table when you are getting that 72. Okay, see 20 in 24 in 24's table 24 3s are 72. Okay, so upside number also we are multiplying by 3. So we will get 7 into 3 minus, now see 36 2s are 72. So we will multiply this 17 into 2. So you will get here 21 minus 34. 72 is 34 upon 72. Now see 21 minus 34, both number having the different sign. So we have to do the subtraction. So 4 minus 1 here 3 and 2 minus 1 means minus 13 upon 72. So your answer is minus 13 upon 72. Understand students? By LCM method I solve that. And if you don't know how to solve by LCM method, so please watch my video. Okay, it will help you. Okay, now see we will move our next example. Next example is question number 2. Second example is 5 upon 63. 5 upon 63 minus, it is minus 6 upon 21. Okay, minus 6 upon 21. So see students, 63 and 21 both number having the different denominator. So first we will solve by LCM method. So by LCM method, it's LCM 63 and 21. LCM is what? 63. Okay, now see 63 already it is 63. So 5 we are writing as it is 5. Okay, now in 21's table when 63 is coming, so see first this subtraction sign we will write. Now in 23's table, sorry 21's table 21 3 is 63, means we have to multiply by 3. So this 6 we are multiplying by 3. Okay, means minus 6 multiplied by 3. So what you will get 5 minus, and this 6 3 is 18, minus 18 upon 63. So 5. Now see, in fraction lesson I told you, in integer lesson, okay, if you not watch, please watch my video. See, in integer lesson already we solved that if outer bracket minus sign is there, so inside sign will change. So here we are getting, see, minus 18, it will become plus 18 upon 63. Okay, so we will get 18 plus 5, it is 23 upon 63. Okay, your answer is 23 upon 63. Now let's move towards our third example. Our third example is, see, third example is minus 6 upon 13 and minus or subtract minus 7 upon 15. Minus 7 upon 15. So here also see, by cross multiplication or by LCM method you can solve, but LCM method we will do. Here the LCM of 13 and 15 is 195. So for making 13 to 195 we have to multiply to 15, matlab cross multiplication only we have to do. Okay, so we have to multiply by 15. So 15 6 are, okay, what we will get, 15 6 are 90, so minus 90. Okay, here minus side it is minus 7 into, now okay, here also I will write that steps, means you will understand what I done here, minus 16 into 15 I done to make it, see, because why, for 13 I multiply with 15, so I got that 195 denominator. Okay, so now see, 7 by 7 को किस number से multiply करना पड़ेगा, then we will get this 195, that by 13, by 30 we will multiply. So what we will get, 6 to 15 6 are 90, minus 90, here minus 13 7 are minus 91. Okay, 91 upon 195. So here minus 90, outer bracket minus sign is there, so inside sign will change, it become minus 91 upon 195. So यहाँ पे देखो दोनों नंबर के साइन डिफरेंट है, so we have to do the subtraction. So 91 minus 91, okay, big number sign upon 195. So answer is 1 upon 195. Okay students, understand? So see, fourth number is minus 3 upon 8 and minus 7 upon 11. 7 upon 11. Here also see, the numbers are small, so we can do the cross multiplication. Okay students, it depends on you by which method you are solving. See, by LCM method when we have to use, whenever big number are there. For small number also you can use the LCM method, but it is, if you know the tables, easily you can solve that. Okay, so 8 see, 11 8s are 88, 11 3s are, okay, 33, means what I done here, this table, so I will write minus 3 into 11 and here 8 into 7. Okay, like this cross multiply we have to do. So minus 3 into 11 minus 33 minus 8 7s are 56 upon 88. So here see, both number having the same sign, so we have to do the addition. So 6 plus 3 9, 5 plus 3 8. So your answer is minus 89 upon 88. Okay, so let's move towards our next example. Our next example is minus 2 1 upon 9, okay, and minus 6. Okay, this we have to solve. Now here see students, this first we will convert into improper fraction. So how you will convert? Minus, see, 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 1, it will get what, 19. Okay, see students, but here minus sign is there. Always remember, whenever minus sign is there, then you have to subtract. So minus 3, 9 2s are 18, minus 9, minus 18. Okay, minus 18 plus 1. So you will get minus 17 upon 9. And here minus 6 as it is. Now see, in fraction I told you nothing is there, means one downside. Okay, here. So we will do the cross multiplication. 9 1s are 9. Here minus 17 into 1. Because nothing is there, means 1 here in denominator. And minus 9 into 6. So you will get minus 17 and 9. So 17 1s are 17 and 19. 9 6s are 54 upon 9. So we have to add this because both number having the same sign. So 7 + 4 = 11. So 6 7. So minus 9 + 4 = 11. So 7 + 4 = 11. So minus 9 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 + 4 = 11. 71/9. Understand student? This is the first question and second question of rational number. Remaining third question and fourth number we will see in my next video, and for that please watch my video and please like, share and subscribe my video, means you will get the notification of my next video. और अगर आपको कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है about any lesson, then please comment me, okay? I will make that video, but before that please watch my video and like, share and subscribe my video. Okay students, bye.